Hi Hyderabad, this is Ritvika from the Little Text. Today we have Thakur Reshma Singh from the Dharthi Foods. So she's the founder of this organization. So Thakur ji, what is different in this product than the other products that we see of millets?
See, basically these are millet noodles, and we have a couple of soups also. We have three types of soups, which is ragi, bajra, and jawar. And the USP of our product is these have been prepared in a very hygienical way. And second thing is, like people usually tell, this is ragi, this is bajra. So I mean, we find that most of the concentration of the mixing of the product, and it's not that appropriate. But in our products and all, 100% quality check is being done. And apart from that, we also have a taste maker in this, so you need not do any additional, what do you say? You need not buy any additional taste makers, and basically it's a healthy supplement. Instead of your meals, you can just replace instead of that maida noodles and all, you can go with this mixed millet noodles we have, and we have moringa noodles, we have wheat noodles, and we have all different types of noodles. Totally, you can say we have around 9 types of noodles. Wow. So these are all healthy supplements. Basically, you can replace the maida noodles with this millet noodles. So as you know, maida has got its own disadvantages. So please replace maida with these healthy noodles which are made out of millets.
Perfect. So can you tell us, where did you get the funding from? Because you had the idea, but how did you boost it into a business?
Yeah. So basically, like during the lockdown, so as we were all busy with our own things and all, so a program was announced from Indian Institute of Millet Research Association, which was a cohort program. So I was also a part of that cohort. I got selected for the training program, and after the training program, we had a pitching rounds where we pitched in front of the central government committee. So Dharthi Foods has pitched with what do you say, with the support, with the support of Indian Institute of Millet Research Association. We have pitched our product, and with the multiple, there were many competitors, you can say. Multiple startups were there, and we were also one among them. And after competing with all the startups, we were able to secure a grant from Indian Institute of Millet Research Association. Wow. So now currently I am an incubatee at Indian Institute of Millet Research Association. So with all their support, the marketing support and all what they are extending with us, so we are able to take the brand ahead. And apart from their support, other marketing channels also we are looking for. Okay. So this is one of the marketing channel. As you can see, the Little Text is definitely is going to be a marketing channel for us. Great. Thank you so much for your support.
Thank you. So one business challenge that you had faced in your journey, can you tell us, please?
The business journey, as you, basically I was an employee. So an employee becoming an employer, that is first biggest challenge what we have as an entrepreneur. Then secondly, searching for the marketing, and definitely finance is also a biggest challenge for us. But anyways, thanks to IAMR, which has helped in giving us a grant also. So I think for scaling it up, and next we are also eligible to pitch for other types of grants, and we are also eligible to do pitching in front of the other investors also. So I'm just looking forward for those kind of opportunities. And as I mentioned, marketing and finance is always biggest channels for the entrepreneurs.
Thank you so much. You have been wonderful, and we really wish you all the luck for your business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.